Welcome to another simple Dad Epic Games tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Twitch account to your Epic Games account. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. Twitch is a video live streaming platform which focuses on live video games streaming. So if you want to know how to link Epic Games to Twitch, then you're at the right video. So to link your Twitch account, first visit the Epic Games website. Now log in using your Epic Games account. Once logged in, hover over your username at the top right and the drop-down menu should appear. Click on Account. On the next page at the left-hand side, click on Connection. Then tap on Accounts tab in the middle of the screen. Next, find Twitch. It should be the third icon in the first row. Click on Connect. Then tap on Link Account. A pop-up should appear which will take you to the Twitch logon page. Log into Twitch using the Twitch login credentials. Then click on Authorize to authorize Epic Games to access your Twitch account. Wait a few minutes and then it should return to your Epic Games account portal. Once successful, you should see your Twitch username under the Twitch title. This means that your Twitch account is now connected. And that is how to connect your Twitch account to Epic Games account. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.